Number 1, proceed with selling as planned and disclose problems as required by law, but be prepared to fix them with receipts prior to close or lower the price. This brings us to number 2, make minor inexpensive repairs, then get an appraisal to determine your home's market value. Take the market value price and subtract it from those deal breaker costs, and that'll give you a more appropriate list price. This lower price will attract buyers and it may bring you in multiple offers. Number 3, you could sell it as is. You could say, forget making repairs. I don't have time for home improvements. I'm ready to get it sold, with the chance of getting offers higher than the actual value. This can be a gamble, but your agent will know if it's a strong option for you. The ultimate goal is to get it sold, sold. 1, 2, or 3, the choice is yours, but as long as you've identified your selling goals and worked with a knowledgeable agent, you will enjoy a much successful selling process. Now, if you don't want to go at it alone and you live in Georgia, then I'm the realtor you want to call. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm Realtor Cassandra Calixte, and I am the Heart in Real Estate.
Bye-bye.
Bye.